up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got this 1969 Ford Mustang Fastbacks, aka Sportsroof, up for sale today. We're gonna go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before it shows up at your doorstep. This is a solid driver's car. Bought this one in Virginia from one of my clients who owned an Airbnb. He had it all the way through his military days and settled down, got a family, had some kids, and this one had to go. Before we do a full walkthrough, I need you to hit the subscribe button if you want to see all of our classic cars. I get a lot of calls saying, hey Rob, I just seen the video on YouTube and it sold. We sell quickly, so please subscribe to get first access. Plus, you can stay up to date on the current market of what cars really are selling for. Not these auction prices and not these crazy consignment places, but what an everyday driver's car is selling for. Subscribe, please. I'll take you through the paint. To start off, we will start off on this side, passenger side fender. As you can see, now this is listen, black paint is one of the hardest colors to look good. It's got to be done high quality. This is not high quality, but it does look good. This body is very straight for what it is. I would say the paint is probably like maybe a 7 out of 10. You can definitely see your reflection on it. It looks good. It's not showroom, but it is a solid looker. There's no visible flaws. You got a little, not even, that's dirt. Nothing there. Wheels good. You got a little bit of inside wear, which it probably needs a front end alignment. Wheels in decent condition, a little wear on it. So probably gonna want to replace the tire with that inside wear. This door is in good shape. Gap is nice and even. I don't see any flaws on the door. Door's got a nice line to it. This comes out just a tad on this side, not too bad. I don't see any filler, any scratches or any dings. Up on top, same thing with the roof. Roof's in good shape. Rear quarters also in good shape. You can see me in it. No bubbling, no Bondo. I don't see anything. Nice straight body. This lip in good shape. These back tires got plenty of life left. Real good. Headed to the rear of the car. Glass is in good shape. Back trunk's in good shape. Let's look at these gaps. Gap here is nice. Same thing on this side. Trunk sits really good. Bumper's in good shape. Got a little flaw right here in the paint. One of the major things I see right here, as you can see close, you can see that the car was red at some point, as you can see in right in there. Now, whoever painted the car taped it off, and this is showing. The car though is in good shape despite that. Nice driver car. This lip's in good shape. I can't tell if there's much body work. I don't see any waves in it. I'm sure it's had some body work at some point, but it's nothing that's obvious. You got this door is a little gapped over here, but the quarter's nice and flush. Nothing crazy going on with it. A little bit of orange peel here, not too bad. This body line is good until the end right here with that lip coming out. But you can definitely see me in the paint real good. this line as well. Let's go ahead and give it a door test. Starting off with this door here. Good. Closes good. One thing I did notice, the door jambs are not taken care of, so whoever painted this car neglected the door jambs. And that sits really good. That door. And you can also see the red in there. Same thing with this side. Let's see how this door, I'm barely shutting the door and the door shuts real good. That's solid. I love seeing that. Headliner in the back, I did notice coming down a little bit. It's gonna need some adhesive to keep it up. And also off the get, there's no horn. You're gonna have to fix that. Or we can do it if you prefer. But definitely a nice looker. This is a 3-foot looker. You can get pretty up close on it. I mean, gets a lot of looks. It looks good. Undercarriage is in good shape. Torque box looks all original. Looks like that one floor is probably replaced at some point, but there's no rust underneath the car whatsoever. That is the reason why I bought this car. I don't like buying rusty cars. Again, undercarriage is perfect. No issues. Looks good. Before we go inside, get the key out and look in the trunk. Trunk is solid. Guys, this is a perfect car for somebody that just wants to cruise, that wants a good looker, a car that sounds great, because this car sounds better than it looks. It's a looker and it sounds better. It's a perfect car that you could just have over time, drive it, it goes up in value. It's not perfect, driver quality, and if you want to make it perfect, you're more than welcome to, and you'll get your money out in it. And the only rust that I did notice was a little bit developing here and a little bit on the other side developing. Very, very minor. But the frame rails are all good. There's no rot or rust in the frame rails. Shock towers are in good shape. So it's a 306 stroker. The client said he did a bunch of work to it, and you'll see once we get it started. Non-power steering, manual brakes. Got an upgraded transmission, B&M shifter. I was told it was a C4 with a shift kit and all upgraded internals. Seats are in good shape, no rips. Again, that back is coming down a little bit, needs to be raised up. Back seat's in good shape. 98,357 miles is what the odometer showing. Obviously, it's a 5-digit odometer, so we're going to sell it as exempt or unknown mileage. We don't know if that's accurate. We also have a Sun Pro gauges there and there. So let's go ahead and get it started. sounds absolutely amazing. We got the door tag here, original F code. These are the options with it. We don't have the buck tag up here, that's missing. But, oh, it looks like it's under here actually. We have that. We also have VIN number there and VIN number on the door. All right, guys, let's go ahead for a test drive and see how she drives. All right, Chris, go ahead and start it up. Get ready for our test drive. I'll put the lights on. Lights are on. Cool. Turn signal. What you got, left on? You got no side markers. Left is, yep, that's working. Try right. Good, right's working. Brake, turn it off. Brakes. Yep, good. All right, so lights work. Turn signals work real quick. Like, let's make sure. Let's see.
RPM gauge.
Oil pressure is all the way up. That RPM gauge is working?
It's not.
Not working. Okay. How about down there? Is that working? Coolant
it's
temperature?
showing 100 right now.
Okay, so we'll see if that works. How about the gas gauge?
No, it does not.
Okay, you want to stop, put gas in it, and we'll see if it works?
I put gas in it yesterday.
Okay, so gas gauge is not working, guys. All right, let's go. Manual brakes,
yep.
Manual steering. You go straight down, normal route. It shifts itself, Chris. It's not a manual shift kit.
Oh, it's not? I think I have it in drive. I don't have it in one.
Okay. You can put it in low and shift up if you wanted to. All right, so we're gonna try manual shifting it. Chris got it in one. There you go. Do you like it automatic mode or manual mode?
I like it manual. I feel like I have a little bit more control.
Yeah, overall, it seems like it's just a normal 69 Mustang Fastback. A lot of power. I do see a little play in the steering wheel.
Yeah.
At first you only have one wheel spinning and then your posi kicked on.
There you go.
There you go.